Please excuse the week and a half of not uploading. I was in Angel Fire, New Mexico, like I haven't stated that yet. And they didn't have any Wi-Fi there. So they totally ripped us off. So I'm uploading this video. I'm not dead or anything. I'm okay. And hope y'all enjoy. I'm rolling out to get my teeth cleaned at the dentist. Well, actually, so I have a cavity in the back of my mouth. And I'm honestly kind of scared because they get that like huge needle thing and they just stick it in your... The fire alarms are about to go off right about now. Alright guys, so it is currently raining outside. We have a really cool trip in mind. I've been able to kind of build up. So we are going snowboarding in New Mexico, in Angel Fire, New Mexico. It's right by Santa Fe. And Connor Donovan, he's going, but he's going to Santa Fe, so he's going to be like 20 minutes away from us. So today, we're just rolling out. I really hate long car rides, so I'm wearing my chillaxing pants. Tigers. My dad likes that school. Let's roll out. The main reason why I hate long car rides is simply because you're literally sitting in there wasting your life. Like, dang it, come up with a teleporting system. I've already packed, sort of. And yeah, look at this little fidget spinner I made right here. Didn't really work very well. I had put hot glue on it, but alright. Anyway, enough stalling. Let's try and leave now. Chocolate one with sprinkles, and the strawberry one with sprinkles. A kolache with meat, cheese, and the bun.
That's one? The small?
Yeah, just one.
Small? Small or what?
Big.
Big?
There may be a tornado over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. You're not gonna be able to see it. Now I'm a little bit scared. More hours. We're on a train that like is a restaurant, and I got a bacon cheeseburger, bacon, cheese, and meat. 3.5 more hours. 3.5 more hours. Snow. Oh, I touched it. We will be going to the slopes tomorrow. This is where I'm getting this video. Y'all get to see what our hotel looks like tomorrow. So tune in to our video tomorrow. It's going to be really exciting.